The Leica Q series has always been a headline maker in the photography world, generating endless discussions among enthusiasts and professionals alike. Should you grab the current model? Or is it worth waiting for the next big leap? That conversation has intensified as attention turns from the highly praised Q3 to the eagerly anticipated Q4. Leica has long maintained a consistent 4-year release cycle for its Q series, but with technology advancing at lightning speed and competitors constantly pushing boundaries, rumors suggest the Q4 could arrive sooner than expected. If these leaks are accurate, the Q4 could easily become one of the most talked about camera launches in recent Leica history. When the original Leica Q was unveiled in 2015, it redefined the concept of a compact full-frame camera. Combining Leica's legendary craftsmanship with modern imaging technology, the camera paired a fixed 28mm lens with a full-frame sensor, delivering a level of image quality and precision previously unheard of in a compact form. This bold, unconventional design choice prioritized simplicity and perfection over interchangeable lens versatility, providing photographers with the signature Leica aesthetic and feel, all in a portable, elegant body. Professionals and enthusiasts alike instantly recognized it as a tool that allowed them to shoot with freedom without compromising quality. Leica refined that foundation with the Q2 in 2019. The camera featured a 47-megapixel sensor, enhanced weather sealing, and ergonomics designed to improve comfort during extended shooting sessions. Leica proved that incremental improvements, not drastic overhauls, could elevate the series to new heights. Then came the Q3 in 2023, pushing the limits even further with a 60-megapixel backside illuminated sensor, phase detection autofocus, and 8K video recording for the first time in the series. It blurred the line between still photography and video production, positioning Leica as a brand capable of meeting the demands of hybrid creators while maintaining its classic look and feel. Now, speculation around the Q4 is reaching fever pitch. While Leica has historically favored refinement over radical redesign, the competitive landscape means the Q4 will likely need to push innovation harder than ever. Early leaks suggest a major upgrade: a stacked CMOS sensor. Such a sensor would drastically improve readout speed, dynamic range, and rolling shutter performance, placing the Q4 on equal footing with leading mirrorless cameras from brands like Sony and Canon. This sensor upgrade would not only enhance still photography, but also transform the Q4 into a serious video tool. Faster processing would allow smoother video recording, reduced lag, and quicker autofocus. The autofocus system itself is expected to see major improvements, potentially including AI-assisted subject detection, advanced eye and animal tracking, and predictive focusing algorithms that adapt in real time. These enhancements would make the Q4 a versatile tool capable of handling fast action, street photography, and even demanding professional scenarios that once challenged compact cameras. Video capabilities are also rumored to see meaningful upgrades. The Q3's 8K video impressed many, but overheating limited longer recordings. The Q4 could resolve this with improved thermal management, allowing extended filming without compromise. It may also feature higher frame rate 4K modes for cinematic slow motion, turning the camera into a genuine hybrid capable of satisfying photographers and filmmakers alike. Paired with Leica's timeless design and compact form factor, the Q4 could compete with larger systems such as Sony's FX3 or Canon's R5, all while retaining its distinctive elegance and portability. Low-light performance is another anticipated area of improvement. The 28mm f/1.7 Summilux lens already performs remarkably well in dim conditions, but a new sensor and updated image processing could deliver cleaner high ISO results, richer shadows, and more accurate color reproduction. This would make the Q4 a perfect companion for street, travel, and documentary photographers who often work in unpredictable lighting conditions and need a reliable, versatile tool in any environment. Design-wise, Leica is likely to stick to its minimalist philosophy, but small refinements can make a world of difference. Early reports suggest the Q4 will feature a slightly deeper grip, lighter materials for better handling, and more intuitive button placement for enhanced comfort during long sessions. These subtle improvements could make the camera feel like a natural extension of the photographer, elevating the shooting experience without altering the brand's signature simplicity. The electronic viewfinder is expected to see a significant upgrade as well. The Q3 featured a 5.76 million EVF, but the Q4 could jump to a 9.44 million display with faster refresh rates, offering a smoother, near-lag-free experience for precise composition and manual focus. The rear screen might evolve from a tilting design to a fully articulating display, catering to vloggers and content creators who need flexibility for self-recording or low-angle shots. Enhanced touchscreen performance, improved menu customization, and a more fluid interface are also likely, ensuring a faster and more intuitive shooting experience. Connectivity could be another major area of focus. Faster Wi-Fi, improved Bluetooth, and tighter app integration could allow photographers to transfer files instantly, control the camera remotely, and maintain smooth workflows both in the studio and in the field. Enhanced tethering options would be particularly useful for professionals relying on quick previews and seamless collaboration during shoots. The two biggest questions remain timing and price. Following Leica's traditional 4-year pattern, the Q4 would arrive around 2027. However, insiders speculate that Leica could accelerate the release to late 2026 to stay competitive. Pricing is expected to reflect its premium positioning. The Q3 launched at around $5,995, while the Q4 could easily surpass $6,500, potentially reaching $7,000. Leica buyers are accustomed to paying for more than specifications. They invest in craftsmanship, prestige, and an unparalleled shooting experience. If the rumors hold true, the Leica Q4 could redefine what a fixed-lens full-frame camera is capable of. Combining a next-generation sensor, AI-assisted autofocus, improved stabilization, advanced video features, and refined ergonomics, it could become one of the most versatile and desirable compact cameras ever produced. It would satisfy both traditionalists who value simplicity and control, as well as modern creators demanding speed, performance, and adaptability in a portable package. Anticipation for the Q4 is already immense across the global photography community. Leica has a history of merging precision engineering with artistic sensibility, and the Q4 seems poised to continue that legacy. Whether it arrives on time or ahead of schedule, the camera is shaping up to be more than just another iteration. It could mark a pivotal moment in the evolution of compact full-frame photography, reaffirming Leica's status as a leader in high-performance, beautifully crafted cameras.